Hello my dear wonderful peoples, and welcome back to my new video. Here in this video we are going to discuss about the switch case statement, okay, which is used for the multiple conditions. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so here is our source file. Let me remove it first. Okay, and here I'm gonna write in the comment what we are going to do in this program. Okay, program to use switch case statement. Okay, so here I'm gonna start with a header file. Okay, and now void main function, and here with the braces, and here I'm gonna declare a int type variable and I'm giving it name as choice. Okay, I'll tell you why I'm giving here the name of the variable as choice. Okay, here we will be taking input through the user, so here I'm using printf and scanf. Okay, now we are going to use the switch statement. Okay, and you must see the syntax of switch case very carefully. Okay, firstly we have to write the switch keyword here, and now we have to give here bracket, and inside bracket we have to write the variable which we declared. Here I am writing choice, and now we have to give here braces, and inside the switch block we have to give the cases. Okay, multiple cases we can give. Okay, so here I am giving case 1. Okay, now here you have to put colon, and inside the colon you can execute any of the process. I am using here a print statement. Okay, printf hello. Okay, and here after the case 1 we must use break statement. Okay, we must use break here. Why? Because if we don't use break here after the case part, then the statement after every case will be executed continuously, so we must use break after every case. Okay, so here I'm gonna use case 2 and put here a colon. Okay, and I'm gonna use here printf, and here I'm printing hello 2 times. Okay, okay, let me just copy the word hello. Okay, okay, so in here we also have to use the break statement. Now we came to the case 3. Okay, okay, let me just copy the print statement. And in here let me copy this hello world. Okay, and again we have to use here break. Okay, and now let me just copy the whole statement with the case and with the break statement. Okay, and I'm gonna paste it multiple times. Here we have to use the case number 4. Okay, and here we are printing hello world hello 4 times. Okay, let me just create the last case. Okay, let me just paste it. Okay, here case number 5, and we are gonna print hello 5 times. And after our cases are finished, we can use here the default part. Okay, put here the colon, and if the input is not from the cases, then the default part will be executed. Okay, so here I'm giving a print statement, and here I'm writing try again. Okay, so this is our program with the switch case statement and with the break. Okay, and here also we will use break. Okay, it's looking good, and now we will run the program. Okay, here we have to give our choice, and remember one thing, your choice must be a integer. Okay, so here I'm going to enter 2 and hit enter, and you can see hello is printed 2 times, which is in the case 2, which is 2 times printing hello. Okay, our program is running very well. Okay, now let me run this again, and let me now again give another integer value. Let me give here 5, and as you can see, okay, in the case 5 we are having 4 times hello. Okay, so it's running well. Let me now give here 5th hello. Okay, and now let me just run this again, and now let me give another value which is not in the case. So here I am giving 6, so it must print try again, and as you can see, it is printing try again. That means our program is running very well. Okay, so this is the way to use switch case statement, and you can use switch case in many of the examples which we will be discussing in our forthcoming videos, and in fact we'll discuss example of the switch case in our next video. Okay, so this is all what I want to tell in this video. This is Shoaib signing off, and I will catch you in the next video.